Get ready to rebuild the Keihin CV40 Carburetor. The channel's newly acquired 2001 Sportster XL1200S Sport. 24 years old with only 10,090 original miles, the motorcycle spent a great deal of time garaged between rides. When this happens to any motorcycle, the first concern should be the carburetor or EFI system. If conditions are extreme, stale fuel in a carburetor leads to varnish and clogged passageways, hard starting, a rough idle, hesitation, misfiring, or stalling can result. While the XL1200S does not exhibit these symptoms, the engine does take longer to warm up. The cause could be a restricted idle passageway that requires more enrichment, or this could simply be the need for an idle mixture screw adjustment. An external inspection shows some seepage at the accelerator pump diaphragm. There is no leak here, just slight seepage. These diaphragms deteriorate over time. As a precaution, I am rebuilding the carburetor. This will restore the Evolution V-Twin's performance. Built at the end of the rigid engine mount, trapdoor era, the trim, lighter weight 1998 to 2003 XL1200S Sport, was Harley-Davidson's factory hot rod, equipped with Buell Lightning twin spark plug cylinder heads and hotter camshafts. To realize these performance perks requires spot-on tuning. Preparing for the carburetor rebuild, I ordered parts from CV Performance at Las Vegas, Nevada. The company is noted for its special EasyJust idle mixture replacement screw. The CV Performance Premium Carburetor Kit comes with a new accelerator pump diaphragm that will solve the seepage issue. My order included the EasyJust screw that will enable quick, accurate idle mix adjustments. CV Performance, based at the southern end of my home state, has been serving Harley-Davidson and other Keihin CV carburetor users for decades. The company offers a complete line of Keihin CV carburetor components and upgrades. There are many offshore knockoffs of CV Performance parts. I bought genuine parts. I'm not expecting major issues or unusual wear, so I did not order a vacuum diaphragm. If your carburetor is acting up or you suspect significant issues, set aside more time and remove the carburetor before ordering your parts. Disassemble the carburetor and inspect for wear and damage. Order your parts based on your findings. Rebuilding the CV40 carburetor in the next video, I will walk you through what to look for. My riding is at various altitudes. Here, the CV40 carburetor is the next best thing to electronic fuel injection. Though not ideal, this is a mechanical solution for altitude changes and reducing tailpipe emissions. While fixed Venturi slide or butterfly carburetors require jet changes to handle altitude variations, the CV or constant velocity carburetor can tolerate reasonable deviations in elevation. No carburetor can match the precise, instantaneous air-fuel ratio control of EFI. The main advantage of a carburetor is simpler troubleshooting and service. This includes the ability to perform roadside repairs, do-it-yourself work, and jet changes. Carburetor rebuilding is straightforward, and I'll do it by the book. A factory service manual should always be your guide for this kind of work. I purposely sought out the Harley-Davidson FSM that covers a 2001 XL1200S Sportster. At eBay, a quality used manual vendor, 55 Manuals, had a good used copy of the 2001 Sportster FSM. Reasonably priced, this book will be optimal for shop or benchtop use. Following the steps that Harley-Davidson recommends for its dealership work, I'll save the couple of hours of shop labor charges at $110 to $180 per hour. This work can be performed at your shop or garage with basic hand tools. The CV40 is similar to several other Keihin CV carburetor applications. Rebuilding the Sportster's carburetor and servicing the air filter will put the bike in good tune for the riding season and several years beyond. I will be careful not to store stale gasoline in the fuel tank or carburetor bowl during the winter months when the motorcycle is idle. Ethanol-laced fuel is especially bad for stored motorcycles. So let's get ready for a deep dive into the Harley-Davidson CV40 carburetor. The new CrewWorks 30-liter ultrasonic cleaning machine will get its first workout with this rebuild. Join me in the next video.